Hey gamers, today I'm going to show you another gaming video of Hello Neighbour. Okay, so what we're going to do is start from Act 1.
Finally,
Last time I didn't actually start from the start of the game, so yeah, let's start from this point of the game, guys. Alright. Still loading.
Do you want to talk to them while it's loading?
Okay, Act 1, here we have. Act 1.
Yes.
I don't remember what happens in Act 1. What happens, guys?
Yeah, what happens? Actually, I think I remember he tries to get the ball.
Yeah, he kicks the ball at the...
Okay.
No. Run after the ball. Wait, let the ball roll. Crouchy. Uncrouching. That's just my trick, guys. Okay. Don't worry, neighbour. I'm not going to your house yet. What's behind here, guys? Do you know what's behind here? Whoa, Unreal Engine missing script. Guys, what does it do?
Just go.
I'm going to leave it for the minute before I straight away hop in. And just... Oh! Guys, I know you don't want to hear this, do you? Seriously. Oh, there he is. There's the neighbour. He's right there. There.
How are you going up again?
The neighbour. I don't know what to say about that. Oh, he's crying. Why is he crying? He's... Hey! Hey, what?
That always happens.
Did he lock me in the basement?
No.
Trust me, I know. He didn't lock me in the basement.
But remember that time, in this little video when he was showing Hello Neighbour, he said, "Why did he lock me in the blood basement?"
Okay, guys, let's have a look. I don't know where he is. No, he's right in my spotlight. If he spots me, I'm dead, guys. No! No! Not the same thing again as last episode. Where he just keeps looking at me. See, this happened in last episode, guys. I know. Boring. I want him to go.
I know.
I was right in front of you. What
That's
is wrong?
freaky.
Oh, he's gonna spot me. I should
that
just...
guy was normal. I said that last
I don't
episode.
wish he was normal, because last time I played, when I wasn't recording, he wasn't in the house. He wasn't anywhere. Unless I somehow, locked him.
Oh,
Where are you? What? Oh!
Okay.
Trust me, guys. Tell me in your comments, how does he do... Did he just throw glue? Hello, guys. I'm in glue. No! Glue! Glue! Okay, he spots me after that. No. Okay. Neighbour, I hate you. You're right there. You jump at this part, don't you? just jumps. He just jumps out of my street.
Yep.
The same joke I said in another one of my videos that weren't gaming. PG scoots out of my street. Remember that video, guys? I know it's
It's me.
It's a very weird
I know it's weird.
one I made.
Why am I doing the wrong thing?
4 boxes? Yeah, 4 boxes,
You do what
guys.
I say.
So I'm going to use 2, and I'm going to use the other 2. So, like, I'm going to use 2 to get up the ladder, and then the next 2 is when I'm going to be I'm trying to open that thing to get the key for his car thing. So then we need the other, so then we can pick up another 3 boxes that we can use to climb up to get the lockpick to get into the room that gets the screwdriver or whatever it is to get off the planks of the ladder we use.
I guess.
So yeah, for the ladder we use to get up to the key.
Where is going? Normal.
You hate the neighbour, don't you? No. Did our boxes fall? No, it's good. Alright, let's only pick up 1 of our boxes. Now we have 3 boxes, guys. I said I was going to only use 2. Because I don't need you. No, 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 no. No! No! Miss Sweetie! Miss Sweetie! That was bad. This is wasting. This is wasting my time, bro. Okay. Okay. Just don't care about the boxes. Only take 1. Don't throw it. Next. Don't throw it. Don't throw it. I know I said I was gonna use 2. Just don't throw it. What's happening? Why is this come up? No. Sorry, guys. No, I'm gonna have to make an episode 2 of this next time. Should not have taken the box. Stop! Stop it, game! What? What do you mean? I'm not mad. I'm like, stop to the game. Don't pick it up. Leave it there in case I fall off. Whoa! No! Running out of time. Running out of time. I hate this. Yes! Finally! The silly game. Let me. Even though I know this is a good game. Guys? That usually happens. Doesn't it? Wait, where did I drop my box anyway?
There.
Hey, I'm standing on nothing. Right, I'm standing on it. See guys, I'm standing on something. Oh. Gummy bear. Oh, gummy bear. Gummy bear. Stinky gummy bear. I'm a stinky gummy bear. I am a cute, fluffy little stinky gummy bear. Oh, guys, you know what? We're gonna have to make an episode 2 of this in a couple of weeks. See? It just pushes me off. Okay, let's see if this time. Stop it! You silly old game! You're so naughty! I hate you! You're the worst game I ever had! Oh, good.
Oh, no.
Stop it, Peachy.
Okay, fine. I'll stop saying ogre.
2 boxes up to my last life. Tuta. I'm losing. Oh yeah, I don't know. What? We'll be able to go there and get the box. Where's the neighbor? I know he's coming. Whoa! Oh! 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 I was just trying to get a box, neighbor. I was right in front of you. Why are you wearing gloves? That is just creepy. Go! No! Can I get my glue? You want to be going like next up. What's happening here? He's asking a girl on a date.
I want to see the girl.
Doesn't show you the girl.
The dolly.
And they're going. And there's that dolly. You can't forget the dolly. Okay, maybe they're driving good. I don't know. Oh! 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 Gee! Oh yeah, I remember this. Fairly enough. Oh, you limp. He's walking badly. You're gonna have to go to hospital, man. No choice.
His lady's shoe.
Okay, guys. I'm giving this one more chance. I just want to get that box. No harm done. I'm just picking up a box. Oh good, he's not sleeping. That guys, he sleeps, doesn't he? Yeah, he sleeps.
Well,
you're laughing again, neighbor. I said you wouldn't laugh if I get into your basement. I've gotten into your basement the last hour of gameplay I did this morning. I got into your basement and I actually freed the person in your basement. Why are you so happy now? Just because I resetted the game and you have her back in her cage? You can't get me, neighbor. He just threw a tomato at me. Like I love sauce, I guess.
Well, he does actually. You actually.
Well, I guess, guys, we gotta get up this ladder quick.
I wonder what these boxes have in them.
They have nothing in them. I don't know that.
No one knows, but only the neighbor.
One of the boxes in this game. Actually, here's the thing. Oh my gosh, we're nearly out of time. And I still haven't gotten the key. Oh guys, so I'm gonna have to say this is the end of the video. I promise you, I'll make an episode 2. Trust me. Bye! I'm crazy! Actually, you know what? I'll do one more thing, and this is what I'll do.